One of the most beautiful things that you can do these days when you are in Bangkok is to go out after sunset, because going out at daytime is nearly impossible. The weather is super hot unless you are going to spend it at the malls, which is not a good idea. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you what really happens in Bangkok starting from sunset till late night. So we're gonna start today's vlog from Benjakitti Park, as you can see behind me, and walk to Lumpini Park through the renovated green path. I'm in Bangkok without these green parks. It's not complete, because you know the city is busy, crowded, noisy, the hustle and bustle. So if you want to escape all these things, the only way is to come to these green parks, relax, recharge your batteries. And in Bangkok there are lots of beautiful green parks, which today we are exploring the two most beautiful green parks. The first one, as you can see, Benjakitti Park, and the second one, my favorite green park, Lumpini Park, which is now it's renovated. And I think there's an event tonight going on there, if I'm not mistaken. So if we are lucky, we can catch it along the way. But surely Bangkok without green parks, it's not complete. What do you think? Of course, everyone who lives in Bangkok knows what I'm talking about. As you can see now, it's getting dark. It's almost 6:35, and surely things become more beautiful, except these annoying birds. As you know, in Thailand, especially Bangkok, the locals call it gawao. They keep shouting day and night, guys. Wherever you are, you can hear it. It's so famous and so annoying. They are so loud. But that doesn't matter, as long as we are enjoying these lively pictures. We've just started the vlog, and I'm sure if you love Bangkok, surely this gawao, the annoying bird, will not disturb you. So now we are entering the new park. As you know, Benjakitti Park is divided into two parts. The old park that we were at the beginning of the vlog, and this is one of the main entrances of the new park. Wherever you look, there are activities. Today is Sunday and most of the people are off. That's why you can see it's kind of busy. If you pass by here on weekdays, it's much calmer. But surely the purpose of today's vlog is to show you as much as action possible. As you can see, along the way there are lots of signs that takes you through the Skywalk and later through the new renovated green path to Lumpini Park. So you can walk from Benjakitti Park towards Lumpini Park, after that to Silom, without taking any kind of transportation, and enjoying all these beautiful vibes along the way. Of course, you can see how beautiful are the colors of the sky at sunset time. So this is the magic in Bangkok. At daytime it's harsh, it's hot, it's nearly impossible to walk, and after sunset it's one of the most pleasant things to do. Check this out from here. It's getting darker and darker, and you can see how beautiful is Bangkok once it's dark. So just follow the path and you won't get lost. And now we are walking through the renovated patch, as you can see. So they were renovating this place almost for 1 year. One of the beautiful things that you can see while you are walking at this path, at the both sides you have classical old houses, narrow streets, and when you look To your left and right, you can see the high-rise Bangkok buildings. So this is Bangkok. Everything in one place, as you can see. So it's beautiful to check them while you are walking the path. Alright, now we are outside of the green path and walking towards Lumpini Park, the backside entrance of Lumpini Park once you go out from the green path. So it takes around, I think, 12 to 15 minutes to walk from Benjakitti Park towards Lumpini Park. Depends how fast you are walking, but it won't take more than that. So welcome to Lumpini Park, my favorite park in Bangkok. There are lots of cars. I think, as I said, there's an event, if I'm not mistaken, of course. As you know, there are lots of activities at this park besides the sportive activities, and now it's much more beautiful. Enjoy these lively pictures from Lumpini Park and tell me which one you like, Benjakitti or Lumpini. Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna show you a little bit around and check if there is something happening around, any event, because I can hear some music coming from that side. It seems that there is a live orchestra, band, and lots of people are watching.
Big hands to our trumpetist นักทรัมเป็ตของเราทั้ง3คนนะครับเดี๋ยวยืนขึ้นนะครับตรงนี้
It's a beautiful Philharmonic Orchestra concert. I don't know till when, but definitely if you are in Bangkok, check it at Lumpini Park. There are always events, but this one is special. So that's the entrance, this is the exit. The queue is too long. I will not enter definitely, but it seems that something to do, an event with Netflix. That's another thing, you can check it while you are here. This is one of the things. And there is a big sign there of Netflix. As you can see, there are lots of things happening. You will never get disappointed once you explore Bangkok after sunset. No matter is the season. No, there's nothing. Soon we are heading to Songkran. But as I said, whenever you are exploring Bangkok after sunset, there is always something happening. That's why it's one of my favorite cities. You will never get disappointed. Definitely after these two beautiful parks, you need somewhere to relax, refresh yourself, and surely Dewey Central Park is one of the best places just at the opposite of Lumpini Park, as you can see. And now we are enjoying some refreshing moments. There are lots of restaurants here, by the way, or coffee shops. You can take something to drink or eat. and surely enjoy this beautiful Bangkok views. As I promised, Bangkok is beautiful at night. Check this out. So what do you think till now? Do you agree with me that Bangkok is more beautiful at night? I mean, after sunset, the weather is cooler, breezy. It's more pleasant to go out, especially in the hot season. Now that we are in the hot season, we are heading to Songkran. Or you like Bangkok at daytime? Surely you can see that now the vibes are totally different. This is one of the famous street food sections. If you want to eat roti or you want to eat common guy. Next to that, fancy mall. This is Bangkok, guys. A fancy mall. After that, street food. Here you have one of the best mango smoothies. Only 60 Thai baht. Maybe we can try it. Definitely, it's super hot. Keep hydrated. Thank you. I waited 10 minutes, guys, maybe 15 minutes. This woman is very famous. Just next, as I said, to that mall. Cheers. It's really tasty. Welcome to Patpong Market. You can see how busy it is, still celebrating Chinese New Year. As I said, today is Sunday. Wherever you go, full of people. Surely you are seeing the real pictures of Bangkok vibes. There are lots of negative vlogs on the internet, on YouTube, on the social media, but through this channel you can see that things are better than what they show. This is one of the best places to try your bargaining skills. Last time I was here, I bought a football t-shirt. I think I've paid 350 Thai baht. But usually when you ask the prices, they start 4 to 5 times more than the price that you should pay. That's why if you want to practice your bargaining skills, this is the place. You can find lots of copy items, good and bad quality, and sometimes you might pay a lot of money for nothing. Alright, now it's time to have some cold beers, and the purpose of today's vlog was to show you that even though we are in the hot season, the weather is harsh, but still the action is on. The vibes are beautiful, especially after sunset in Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you.